Let's start this innovation story. First, we're gonna need a country, Brazil, a state, São Paulo, a city, and an university, Limeira. Also, 3 professors. And most important, a question to our quest. Are your students disappearing from your course? We could answer this question with another question. How to adapt VIP methodology to conventional courses. But to do this, let's get back on time. Back to 2020 year. This is the photo of the first and only presential VIP class. And rest of the classes are all online with a support site, with all materials. To create maps is necessary to know Python language. So we created a huge free playlist on YouTube. Also a site with all free codes and book on Amazon. But the student needs more advanced concepts like object-oriented programming. We create more videos, codes, and another book. For CSS and HTML with Python, again YouTube videos, codes, and a third book. We also created a playlist about probability and statistics course using Python codes. And another playlist about maps, patterns, and rankings course using Python codes. With this material, and with the efforts of the students, we managed to reach the finals of the VIP competition in 2021. Furthermore, the generated maps can be used by a variety of organizations. It gave rise to a 4th book. The book describes how 84 undergraduate and postgraduate students built maps about innovation rankings. We organized an online forum on our university to propagate this amazing experience. Thanks to Professor Edward Cole for his help. However, things didn't go as planned. How to cross the chasm. At the same time, return to in-person classes did not motivate students. A new idea emerged. How to combine the VIP methodology with the concept of reinforcement learning, using course material to get students to produce new course materials. We thought big and adapted this idea to 9 courses. Combination of calculus course and Python enabled us to propose a project about Zeno paradox by using Turtle's race. Combination of calculus and numerical methods course with Python enabled us to propose a project about finding zeros of functions. Or combination of calculus and statistics course with Python enabled us to propose a project about Gambler's Ruin. Or combining 4 courses, including operations research course, lead us to propose a project about Brazilian soybean supply chain. The students created amazing videos on YouTube. They also created posts about the videos on LinkedIn, achieving a large number of views. At this semester, we are finishing the content of the 9th course, which is about system simulation. This means combine 5 course. Projects about reinforcement learning applied to AGVs in a warehouse, or test several reinforcement learning strategies for a wide variety of environments. Most important, create undergraduate thesis based on problems of Limeira city companies. A future perspective is to collect the developments made by each student in each project and create a book for each student. Thank you for your attention. See you on my YouTube channel or in the courses page.